Hey, this is a video about this Atomos Inferno monitor. It's a 7-inch monitor that has a SSD hard drive on the back. It's right here. So I'm actually able to record from my camera directly to this monitor that holds an SSD card, a 1 terabyte card, and it records it right on there, so I don't have to use the camera's SSD, which makes it a lot more convenient because I can just pop that thing out and then plug it into my computer and I'm ready to go. These things uses a it's not really a standard HDMI cable, since the ends are those little micro connectors. Got to be really careful with this because it's really kind of disconnects. You may want to purchase like a clip or something. When this is on my rig, it actually holds pretty steady because it has a clip. I don't have it set up right now. Anyway, and you don't need like no $100 cable. You could use a standard $10 HDMI cable and it works just fine. All right, I learned that the hard way. Purchased a $100 cable that broke with like 3-footer. Pissed me off. Anyway, so let's go ahead and go through this bad boy. First off, this is touchscreen. So you just touch it and things will happen. So this is where it's kind of tricky. If your Inferno does not work, where you press the record button and then something flickers on and off, it's probably because you have a time lapse set up. I deleted all that stuff and it worked. But if you were not aware that you had something in there, you will not notice because it's in a place where it's kind of hard to see. I mean, how the heck would you know this? Kind of weird. So this is just information. Everything's set up the way I want it to be. This is the naming structure of your files, which I'm going to show you later on. Right now we're at take 5. I'm going to format this hard drive real quick. But if I was filming something, I would say Julius, I would change this to like an acronym like DAN for Die After Now. So that way, when you start working on it, it'll be easier to read. It's kind of cool. I like that. So you could control your file name. It's not going to be that encrypted letter number. It's going to the scheme of cameras. I don't even get it. But this one you could actually control the file name. Let's get back there. Since I have 5 takes, I could just format that. The way you format that is you press that little icon that looks like a hard disk, and this comes up, tells you what kind of drive you have on there. Just hit format. It's kind of cool because it does it really quick. So let's record something. You have 2 ways of controlling the record. You could actually make this button trigger, or you could use your camera. It's not gonna be very comfortable when you have to press this button, your record button, when this thing is connected to a rig or something. It's terrible. So I advise you to just have it set up for your monitor, because this thing's going to be in your face once you have it on your rig. So let's do a shot. We'll call it. So let's look at it. You got scene, shot, and take. So we got scene 1 and shot 1. Can't change the take. If you don't change these 2, the take number will just incrementally increase by how many times you've taken the take. Alright, so let's get rid of that. Let's test that. So to record, you just press on here, and then the timer starts going and you see a red outline. So let's do a take 1 of my scene. So yay, my camera, let's like just focus in. Alright, so that's my take. I like that. That's take 1. So let's say I wasn't happy with that, so I want to do another take. Like, all right, we're still on scene 1, shot 1, but we're gonna do take 2. So you're like, okay, let's do a take 2. So press that button. Got to do it really gingerly. Okay, so that's take 2. Kind of similar, but let's see. A similar take. But more slower, I guess. I don't know. So there we go. So that's take. Okay, so now we want to go to scene 1, shot 2. So all you have to do is just change this right there, shot 2. So we're still on scene 1, but we're going to do shot number 2. So now I just went ahead and changed it. So if we look at the, let me put my camera down. Let's look at what it says here. So now it says scene 1, shot 2, take 1. So we went back to take 1. So let's do it. So let's press record. And we're like, all right. Cool, let's zoom in on this. And, all right. So this is scene 1, shot 2. All right. Scene 1, shot 2. All right, I'm happy with that. So now we'll move on to scene 2, shot 1. So we go back over here, and we go. Okay, we're at scene 2, shot 1. So the minute I changed the scene, it changed the shot back to 1. So that's pretty smart. Does it for you. Okay. Let's do scene. So scene 2, shot 1, and action. Press this button. Director just told me to do action, and yes. So let's me zoom in on this thing. Yay! So we got that, and we're happy. So cut. It's a take. So let's do one more. So let's do I think we could do one more shot, I guess. So now we got that. We could always change the name. So let's give it another name instead of, let's go back. Let's see. So reset it. And then just whatever. Okay. Something like that. Right? Whatever. So now the name is changed to Nafjaf Myth. But we still have a scene 1 or whatever. Now we're going to scene 3, shot 1. Go ahead and do scene 3. Just hit my camera. So yeah. So it's shooting scene 3, shot 1. Right? Let's stop that. And that's it. Turn off my camera here. So let's replay all that stuff. So we hit play, right? You can see me in the screen. So this is the last screen that we took. So it's playing the last shot. And we named it Napjaf, whatever. So let's stop that. And then let's look at all the scenes that we just shot. So there it is. We got scene 1, shot 1, take 1. Scene 1, shot 1, take 2. Scene 2, shot 2. Yeah. So scene 1, shot 2. So you could understand how this stuff is working. All right. So we got, all this. And if I go to like scene 2, shot 1, take 1, and play that, it should play pretty good. So there you go. So we can play that. Let's go to the first one that we shot. So scene 1, shot 1, take 1. So let's play that. Whoops. Didn't actually play it, did it? There it is. So that's the first scene. And that's how this thing works. Anybody that's gonna use this, I'll train you. so that way we could shoot the film die after now. We got the tools. We got the, I don't know what that saying is. We got the tools. We got the brains. Let's shoot some videos. Don't let it go down the drain. Something like that. Okay, that's it. Bye.